you want to learn how to create a numbered list in Google Documents, this tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google Documents file, my favorite fruit. So the first thing you want to do is to move the cursor to the line where you want to start the numbered list. So this cursor is on the second line, right below my favorite fruit. So the next thing you want to do is to come to the numbered list feature or icon here, then click on it. Then once you do that, you will see the number. It starts with number 1. You can start typing apple. Then to go to number 2, just click enter. Then it will name it automatically for you. You can now type mango. Then click enter. You can type orange. Click enter. You can type lemon, and so forth and on. So this is basically how you create a numbered list in Google Documents. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you.